Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A lot of big crystals means you get dry, crumbly, grainy fudge. By letting the fudge cool undisturbed, you avoid creating seed crystals. When the fudge has cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to start the crystallization process. You stir and stir until the fudge becomes thick.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This could be done in the microwave. Microwave in short increments with a glass of warm water, which creates steam for the fudge to absorb, until the fudge no longer looks dried out. Point 1 Answer. A bowl of water, a damp paper towel, a slice of non-stale bread.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.